Bro, what are they trying to do? My boy is shaking that ass on the door.
Can I help you people? Huh? Get away from there.
Oh my god. Reapers! What's good? It's your boy Laser. Merry Christmas everybody. I hope you all are having an amazing day so far. We're back with some more scary reaction videos. You guys have been loving this scary content, so I continue to deliver that for you guys. In this video, we're going to be reacting to the 30 most disturbing things caught on doorbell cameras. Those Ring cameras always picking up the craziest shit that, like, it's actually insane. But if you guys enjoy the scary content, you just hit that like button, you subscribe, and you turn notifications on, guys. It's that simple. Let's get straight into this video.
A security camera recorded this footage
What is
at
this
5 in
man
the morning
wearing?
on October 2nd of 2022.
5 in the morning?
And it shows 3 men standing at this front door. They're all wielding weapons and wearing masks resembling the ones worn in the movie The Purge.
Oh, screw that.
One man notices the camera recording and puts his hand over it for a while.
What's he gained from that, though? These boys are just... Bro, what are you showing right now? Your ass? What am I looking at?
For a
Just covering with your
second, he
hand?
lets his hand slip, revealing all 3 men. The owner then wakes up from a motion detector sensor on his phone.
Oh, he was like,
He
get
goes
off
to the
my
speaker to
porch.
try to identify who's on his porch, but there was no response.
They just didn't respond.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
My boy is confused. He's like, who are these 3 motherfuckers
The
doing on my
man called
porch?
the police, but when they arrived, the men were gone.
Number 29.
In the middle of the night, a security camera captured the moment in which a man broke into a truck and drove away with it.
Dude, I think every house has like a doorbell camera at this point. Like, it's just normal. Oh, the sound just cut off. Check out this crook. Steals the truck. Please lock your doors. Dude, this is exactly why, like, if I ever get an apartment or something, I would keep my car, like, in a private garage or whatever, you know? I don't know. Like, I'm just very paranoid that someone's going to steal my car. And this guy is just... He's about to dip. Oh, that's funny. He was like, I gotta start this and dip.
This video, filmed on November 13th of 2022, shows a man approaching this stranger's house.
This
at
crook tries to steal,
8:15
but he gets
p.m.,
caught by a
trying to steal
homeowner.
things from the front
Always
porch.
check your cameras. My boy is just wandering around.
Hello, get the f out of there. Piece of
This girl, I like her. She's like,
He's trying to steal things. Trying to steal things.
However,
Bro just was
the
gone.
homeowner comes to the speaker to see who's there, which scares the man away.
I'm not gonna lie, dude. Just that, like, imagine being one of these people and you just hear like a voice on the speaker, dude. That's
This
actually
video was published on
funny as hell.
TikTok in September of 2022. The uploader says that at around 3 a.m., his doorbell
Is that a school
camera
bus?
recorded a man walking across the street. He walks directly to the homeowner's porch and camera. The strange man is wearing a mask with a drawn-on mustache.
drawn on a mustache. I gotta see this. He's just approaching. Bro, what is going on right now? Oh my god, bro, what are you glaring at me like that? Stop pointing at the camera. I don't want to see your face. Ugly head ass. You old ass boy. Get your face out of the camera. Go get some McDonald's or something. I don't know. Oh, is this the homeowner? Oh, is she holding a golf club? Or is that the same person? Oh no, that was the old ass dude.
The homeowner eventually woke up from the notifications on his phone and saw the man looking inside his windows.
Oh, that's crazy.
He went outside to confront the man, which in turn caused him to run away.
Oh, so was it? I don't know. That was weird though.
This video shows an attempted break-in at 6 in the morning. The entire incident was
6 in the
caught on a
morning?
nearby
Oh.
security camera.
So what, is this man... What's going on? Is a robbery? Somebody robbed in the car right now? What's going on, man? That boy is just... minding his business. What is he doing? Bro, what is going on right now? What is going on? Are these two people like... I'm so lost. All I see is a dude just pushing against some wall or whatever. Or if that even is a wall. I don't know. That was a very confusing one. I'm gonna... Guys, let me know in the comments what was going on. I don't
On
understand
October
that.
29th of 2022 at 5:13 p.m., a man walked up to this stranger's house and tried opening the doors with no success.
I don't understand why they always
He
try to open the
then
door
rings
like
the
they have
bell,
some kind of
and when
right.
the homeowner
That's
comes
facts,
to
yo.
the speaker, the man says that he's wondering if the homeowner found a lost dog.
Lost
but
dog?
he says he hasn't. The homeowner asks the man what kind of dog it is, but the man at the door stumbles with his words for a while.
Yes, what do you need?
Hi, I was walking by and I was wondering if you saw a lost dog.
No, I haven't. No one has left the house, so we've been inside. Haven't seen a dog.
No, she's like.
Nope,
you
haven't
do-
seen a dog. What kind of dog you looking for?
She's
He doesn't even know what kind of dog he's looking
like
for.
a
First red flag.
Labradoodle mixed with like a German Shepherd.
Nope. I think some people might have called the city control, so they might have picked it up.
Dude,
so you might
that's
want to look around
scary,
the street
bro.
some more. I know my neighbors have been calling either the police or they've been calling for animal protection services. So they might have picked it up. We haven't seen a thing, all right?
This homeowner handled it
Thank
well.
you.
All right.
Does he come back? Always stay alert, guys. We cannot let our guard down with these crooks. They can make up any kind of stories. Not like that guy was gonna do anything. I mean, the homeowner looked like he just sounded like a very like muscular dude. I guarantee he would have beat this
Thankfully,
dude up.
the man then leaves.
The homeowner probably would have easily taken care of this guy if he tried robbing him. 100%.
On November 23rd of 2022, a home surveillance camera captured the moments in which a strange man attempted to break into this person's
November
house.
23rd. Oh, that's my birthday. 2022. Alright, what is going on? This man... Is that like a... Is that gonna like open or something? Is he gonna fall into it? Looks like this creep is trying to get in. Man, this creep is just... This creep better go to some other house. He got the wrong one. What is he doing? Oh, he looks very paranoid right now. He thinks... He doesn't know what to do. Oh, he's... Oh my god. Stay safe and always lock your doors. Thank you for watching. Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Thankfully, he was unsuccessful.
That's crazy, yo.
This video on September of 2022 shows a creepy guy wandering around this person's yard, peeping in through the window.
Peeping, bro. Does he want ice cream? What's the deal? Most of these people, I never understand why they don't wear masks. I mean, not like it's going to make much of a difference. I think this guy's wearing a mask. I can't tell. I don't know. The goal is you don't want any sort of, like, your identity being revealed. Your hair,
A man
nothing.
in a red t-shirt approaches a house in the middle of the night before opening the person's car parked in the driveway and rummaging through his things and stealing items.
Bro, what? What's going on right now? He's just minding his business. You don't even know what he's doing. That's funny.
A guy on a bicycle approaches this stranger's house during the dead of night and steals the Ring camera at 5 in the morning.
Steals the Ring camera? Huh? Bro, what do you gain from stealing the Ring camera? My boy, is he trying to record himself doing DoorDash or something on his bike? Is my boy an Uber rider? What's going on?
This video was recorded in broad daylight and showcases a man breaking into somebody's place without any struggle whatsoever.
Early in the morning, always breaking inside the apartment. Why don't you get a job, dude? Yeah, that's funny. Bro, what is going on? Number 19.
This video from Riverside, California shows a man dressed as a maintenance man approaching this household, trying to pretend to sell some services.
What is he drawing? What? Bro, this ain't no dry erase board.
No. Oh, I'm so sorry to talk to you from the two service.
Marcus
I still
Territory.
make my need some two landscaping. Clean up your yard or remove any sample cement. We can keep a fierce makeup place to clean up.
Bro, what?
Oh, no.
He just came up with some
He was
fake
actually
story.
trying to cover the camera and open the door.
Oh, so he didn't want anyone to get proof of what he was doing. That's actually kind of smart, but he executed it
This
wrong.
video shows a man attempting to break into this person's house in the middle of the night unsuccessfully.
Most of these people are terrible at robbing, dude. Like, I'm not saying do it, but I'm just saying. Bro, what is going on right now? Did he just ring it? He's just walking. That's funny. Damn, bro.
This video from Seattle, Washington shows a duo of porch pirates stealing some Christmas packages off this person's doorstep.
Porch pirate, just watch this couple steal Christmas wrap on porch. Packages have been less. Man, why are you stealing Santa's presents like that, yo? Come on. I don't think I cold for
Portland,
Christmas.
Oregon, a mysterious woman walked up to this house saying, "Knock, knock," before proceeding to knock on the door.
Knock, knock. Who is there?
Knock, knock.
I wish she said knock, knock, dude. Someone tried our door at 5 a.m. She said knock, knock. Tried our door. Oh, there's a train nearby?
This happened at 5 in the morning, and the uploader says that they didn't know this
She
person.
definitely was. She was either schizophrenic or she was on something. I don't know. Or she was paranoid. I don't know.
Video from Portland, Oregon shows two men trying to break into somebody's house with a crowbar, but
my
were
God.
unsuccessful.
That's a very secured apartment, or they just suck at getting the door open. A crowbar is not going to do much, though. Like, the handle in the door is very
This
small.
clip comes from Brooklyn, New York, and shows a man walking up to this person's
What's
front
this boy
door
doing?
in broad daylight on a busy street.
What's my
in the
man
city.
doing?
He then proceeds to miraculously steal the person's Ring doorbell camera with total ease before running away, never to be seen again.
I don't understand. Aren't these Ring doorbell cameras, are they like that expensive? Like, is that why people steal them? I don't know how much they are. I gotta double check. I don't get why people steal them, man. Oh my. Bro, he's got everything spinning. and crap. Damn. I guess everyone wants a Ring camera now.
This woman got an alert on her phone from her doorbell camera, and it showed this guy on her porch.
What's this guy doing? Bro, what are you
By
doing?
the time she went downstairs to investigate the incident, The man was gone after stealing her doorbell camera.
Number 12.
After being awakened by an explosion that was felt 30 miles away
30
and blew
miles?
windows out
Oh
throughout
my god, look at
mid-county,
this guy,
a
dude.
man named Jerry Wayne staggered
Fortnite
through the
type clouds
Drawhorn
right here.
cul-de-sac, warning his neighbors of the explosion that had already blown out most of their windows.
Why doesn't he have a
and
shirt
doors.
on?
Holy
Oh. So he was just, I guess he just woke up or something, dude. Oh my god. Holy shit! Dude, there's like a whole Fortnite storm going on.
One hell of a boom. Get back in the house.
I can't tell if it's the quality. Oh my god, like a whole alien.
I call
Attack.
911.
That's crazy. That is indeed crazy.
A woman named Marlene
Oh, there's
Stark
two
captured
bears?
This shocking
Only in
moment on her
Russia.
doorbell camera,
Only in
where
Russia.
a mama bear and her cub were on the front porch of her Sanford home.
This is the most Russia type thing ever. What are these bears up to? They just want food, probably. I know most black bears usually just creep around for food. But imagine just open the door and you see two freaking bears, dude. I don't know. Black bears are more scared of us, though, than we're scared of them. It's the grizzlies you have to watch out for. Like, black bears will genuinely, they will run away if they see you. I haven't, like, had
This
experience with
scary
one, but...
video shows a house explosion in Arlington, Texas. It
House
was at
explosion?
2 a.m. on January 1st of 2022, when, out of nowhere, the massive explosion erupts, sending debris everywhere.
I gotta see this. Yo, what? Someone let off fireworks or something? In their house? It set off a car. Oh my god, it's crazy. That's scary, dude. In this situation, like, you have to be worried for the neighbors near the house? Oh my god. No, that's actually scary. And these workers were... Gotta give props to these workers, dude. They come in clutch.
The
They're ready to
explosion
do
was
their
due to a
job.
gas appliance that wasn't fully shut off. Nobody was in the home when it happened, and no injuries were reported.
They're ready to do their thing. Number 9.
In San Jose, California,
San
we
Jose?
watch a woman creeping around a man's apartment complex,
You got two
turning
bikes.
doorknobs. Eventually, the homeowner answers the speaker before coming outside to investigate, and at which point, he turns her away.
Yeah. Can I help you?
Bro, what?
Move, get out of my way.
Bro, what is going on?
What's up? No, why you coming on my door?
Oh, this man.
Don't come back to the door.
Damn. This
Another
man.
video from the same house shows the woman coming back later and actually entering
Oh
the
my
house.
god, yo.
Hey, get the f out of my house!
Yeah.
This video from Frankfort, Kentucky shows a strange woman entering this hallway at 4:45 in the morning with her dog.
Bro, what? That's it?
This TikTok user posted this strange
Attempted
video with
break-in.
the caption of attempted break-in.
Man just tried to break into our house. Please be careful. Ring the doorbell and knock to non-stop for 2 to 3 minutes. Non-stop.
Man just tried to break into our house. Please be careful. Rang the doorbell and knocked non-stop for 2 or 3 minutes.
Oh, that's crazy. Number 6.
This video shows an attempted break-in around 12:45 in the morning and shows a man breaking in using the person's front door keypad.
My boy looks
He
like
had
a
bag
whole...
and some type of metal pole equipped.
My bro got that anime hairstyle, bro. Had a bag and some type of metal pole. Keep an eye out and be safe. Some of these robbers don't even make sense. Like, are they just doing that for... I feel like some of them are just doing it for attention.
This video
like they're trying to
shows
get
a
on these
masked
views.
man approaching a
Oh my
stranger's
God.
house at night.
Bro,
before
what?
smashing the car window with a hammer.
Oh, is he
then
burning the
fleeing
cars?
scene.
He's putting something in there. I think that was gasoline. Because the other car's on fire. Is this car going to go on fire? Oh my god. Check out this crook is pouring gas in cars and lights them on fire. He didn't even light that car on fire though. He just poured it and dipped. Unless he comes back. Oh my god, dude. Some people are just weird. They have balls though, I'll give them that, but still. And 99% of them get caught anyways. I don't know what they like gave them that. Number 4.
A shocking TikTok video showed a duo of men attempting to break into this person's house in the middle of the night, but failed to do so.
This man is just checking out the doorbell camera. Is he stealing this one too? Yo, what? Bro, what are they trying to do? My boy is shaking that ass on the door.
Can I help you people? Huh? Get away from there.
Oh my god. Bro, why was he like doing it like that though? He was like literally pushing his ass toward the door. They were gone. Oh my god, dude. That's crazy.
This
Number
video
3.
shows 2 men, one armed, trying to pick a lock on this person's front door.
But this person is just trying to open the door. Failing miserably at it. Home invasion.
They did manage to get inside and steal some items before making a break for it.
Damn. Number 2.
IMPD released Ring doorbell footage that shows 5 suspects in a home burglary from Castleton last week.
Bro, why?
Police hope that the public will help identify the suspects captured on camera. Stay tuned for our number 1 pick that
That
will
will shock you. I love when he says it, dude. Dude, that's like the number 1 thing I love about this channel. That part right there. Our number 1.
Police are searching for 4 suspects caught on camera in a terrifying home invasion attempt in Richmond.
So what's going on here? They're just... Are they burning that bag on fire? What's that? What's in that bag? Are they leaving like dog poop on people's doors? What are they
The
doing?
security footage shows the suspects breaking in, with one man wielding a shotgun and the other a rifle.
God damn, dude.
Thanks for watching.
That's crazy.
Stay
Dude, I'm telling you guys, be safe out there because there's crazy people out there. Like, always just keep your doors locked. Make sure to check through your doorbell camera, see if anything looks sus or just anything weird, you know? But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.